Yeah, so this is Mr. Wixer, one of the teachers. And we're just gonna go over like the entire packing process for RoboCup.
Right, so we need to get all of our stuff into containers that we can bring as checked luggage on a plane. All the students are bringing one piece of checked luggage that comes with them. So everything needs to be within checked luggage sizes, which means dismantling big portions of the robot. So what we're having everyone do at this point is lay out all of the stuff that they're going to use based on their different groups on these different tables, and they are going to we're going to itemize everything that's needed to go with. Then we're going to figure out who's taking what things, and then we are going to start packing them all into different packs, all the different luggage that we're going to bring.
So Will, what are you doing right here?
Right here, I'm taking apart the robot.
The big one.
Last time, I think, before we go. So it's an emotional moment for me.
Tears of joy.
I'm happy that we're finally going.
Yeah, this is what we've been building up to. So you see, he's taking everything apart, and then we have to lay it all out and list every item, as Mr. Wixer said, and then list what boxes is going in. It's a big process. It's a big process. So this is Declan here. Declan, what do you specialize in?
So the work I've been doing has been focusing on sensors, not just like getting them running, but also where are they going to go on the robot, because kind of sort of need those to get points. So these four in this big old box here, I've got some USB cameras that we're going to hook into the Raspberry Pis, and these are going to look kind of down and over each of our wheels on the robot, so that way we know where we are spatially at all times.
Yep.
This is the CO2 sensor. If it was plugged in, I'd breathe on it and it'd let you know I was breathing on it.
Oh, very smart.
Very, very critical scientific work. Thermal cam, Brad's working on it over there. But so essentially that can, like, if you've ever seen a thermal camera, it picks out what's hot and what's not.
Yeah.
It looks a little
Wait. It might be like. Might be perfect.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
This piece.
Well, yeah. I mean, even the wood is
Yeah, not quite. We were so close.
so close. But I mean, we could probably take off these pieces and this piece, and all that back in there.
Because what is really the...
So Will, what was the issue with packing the robot? What happened?
It's just too thick.
It's too thick?
Yeah.
Just a slight amount. So what do we have to do now?
Well, we just gotta take it more apart, which is